A day in the life of a mom of two. So today I said let me prepare rice. I was just washing my rice. I finished parboiling it. So I said let me just wash it. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good. I believe so. So I said let me drink water. Oh. I already put the rice on the fire. I was adding salt so that the rice will taste good. The way fish they cost now. Fish is so expensive compared to before. Abeg, how much dey sell kote for una area? Please drop comments in the comment section. Let me know, because and guess how much I bought this kilo. This is 1 kilo of kote fish. So I was just washing my fish, washing it very well. For those of you that know how to parboil your fish, kudos to you. Me, I know sabi that method. Method wey be say I sabi, just after washing the fish, you pour hot water in it, then you drain it with filter, you add salt, then you start frying. I think that one is still okay. I think that method is still okay. So even tomato sef, everything sef is just so expensive now. Tomato sef, only God will help us for this country. So I was washing my blender. So let me blend the tomatoes. Phone nepa will come fuck up. Imagine cooking and maybe you say okay, I'll blend the things last before you see they take light. Then you go know say village people dey. So I said let me wash the tomatoes quickly and blend so that I know that at least that one don't come out. Even though they take light sef, no cause for alarm. So I was just blending the tomatoes, unplug it, blending it, because I think tomatoes and pepper blending is the most important step because of light. I never have withdraw force, so just blending it. See, the thing was small, so I never expected that tomatoes would be many like this. I was not expecting this much tomatoes. So I poured my groundnut oil, sprinkled salt on the fish, and started frying. And so I come dey fry the fish. My fish almost burn. I say wait, so the way be say I dey do video, na my fish wan burn. Make dem come laugh me. I say that is a lie. So I quickly remove that set and I put the second set. Imagine this 1 kilo of fish. Nigeria. So meanwhile my visitor was around. I had a visitor and she was just helping me to clean the house, and that's very nice of her. So my stew was still boiling. This my food, my stew now is ready. My visitor was helping me to carry my baby, so she's sweetheart. So this is me serving the rice to let us eat. I serve for myself, serve for her, and for my baby, my daughter. So that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Love you.